I'm Katie Curtis. I'm the Chief Information Officer at Great Plains Communications, which is a Nebraska-based telecom company that has a 13-state footprint, and we are 115 years old. Before Vetro, our customer support teams would have to reach out for every customer request that came in. So they'd have to reach out to the field directly, the district managers, and ask, hey, are we able to service this address? What products do we have to offer? And now that we have Vetro as our single source of truth for addresses and serviceability, they're able to type in an address and validate which addresses are serviceable, what products we can sell, what speeds they have, etc. And Vetro is the database that houses all that information. From an operational cost perspective, we've been able to reduce the amount of time per order from like 3 days at times down to minutes. So we're able to provide real-time answers to our customers that are reaching out and process the order much faster. And from a timing perspective, I would say we've reduced by days. So we utilize Vetro from a planning, design, and operational perspective. When building out our regulatory programs, we're doing that design work and planning work in Vetro. It helps us give our cost per foot. It helps us understand cost estimates that are then leveraged for those federal grant programs. Helps us ensure that we are providing the best service to each of our customers. From a dollar perspective, accuracy is critical with any program, government or not. We need to make sure that, again, we're putting all of our dollars to the best use and providing the best services that we can for our customer. Vetro allows us to plan accurately, to understand what assets we have, to understand our building and design, and make sure that we're the most efficient with our capital dollars. When I think about M&A and telecom, everybody says the consolidation is coming, not sure when that's going to happen, what's going to, kick that off. You're seeing a little bit in the larger space today, but I'd say the mid-size enterprise, I anticipate we're going to start seeing more and more coming. When I think about how Vetro helps with M&A, it's twofold. One, if you enrich the data that's inside Vetro, you can utilize it for TAM analysis, total addressable market. So you can understand and analyze which markets you should build to next based on network proximity. So that's from a planning and capital allocation perspective. And then from a integration perspective, I think of Vetro as a way to quickly go to market with the assets that you're acquiring. So when you look to buy an organization and you're looking at their network assets and you start getting access to their data and understanding what their serviceable addresses are, I view Vetro as a single source so that we can build out our go-to-market strategy based on the new assets that we've acquired and start getting that revenue in a faster time frame.